Giovanni Albeiro Garcia, English Does Work, Level 6. Video presentation, Experiences that have marked my life. Speaking. AA1-EV01 evidence. Instructor, Gabriel Garcia Vázquez. Hello everyone. This time, at Level 6 of English Does Work, I want to share with all of you some of my experiences that have definitely marked and changed my life for the better. I have been dancing since I was a teenager, and I have taught how to dance in many dance academies here in Medellin, Bogotá, and outside the country, starting in Argentina, where having lived there marked and transformed my life in a very positive way. By the way, if I hadn't gone to Argentina to keep learning and teaching how to dance, I wouldn't have had the opportunity to travel halfway around the world, getting to know other cultures. And I also wouldn't have met this great woman, Valerie, whom I met in Buenos Aires in 2023, and we've been together ever since. I haven't been to Japan yet, but I know that one day I will be there training karate and taking an upper belt degree exam. And now that I have returned to my beloved Colombia, I'm going to take through the SENA all its English levels, and I will also be enjoying the process of professional growth through formal studies. And finally, I also want to share a simple thought: enjoy life and grow professionally. See you in English Does Work, Level 7.